In this video, we are going to see that if you just want to disable any kind of news or interest in the taskbar widget because it's disturbing you and you don't want the updates of the news every single time you click on this taskbar sections. So you might have noticed that it's so annoying to get you the latest updates whether you want or don't want that. So for some of the people it's interesting, but some of the people like myself, it's so annoying. So let's quickly disable that. Just open up the start menu and search for settings. So what we can do here is on the left we can see this personalization option. Just go ahead and click on that and just scroll all the way down to this area which says taskbar. Just go ahead and click on that. And basically this feature of news and other interest is supported by widgets. So just make sure to turn that off, and that's pretty much it. This is what you want to do. You can uncheck the chat option as well. So just depend on the taskbar issues that you want to hide or get rid of. So this is how it can be done. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.